Yaris. On the left-hand side of the stage, you can see that GR Yaris. It's a GR Yaris. It's right, yes. So however you look at it, it's theory GR Yaris, but it says M Concept. Can you open it, please? Oh, the engine? That's the engine? You can see the engine there? So GR engine usually has an engine on the front, but so it's around the middle, yes, from the a little back than the axle. So it's really at the center of gravity, right behind the driver's seat. So and that car usually, this car doesn't have an engine in the front. So midship means that the engine is in the middle. What is the advantage of that, Oshima-san? So when you turn, if you have something heavy weight on before the tire, then you'll need to have a lot of power to turn the car around. So if the engine is the middle, if the gravity is in the middle, then you can turn very sharp in a sharp turn. I see. So that's physics, I guess. Yes. So there's the engine in there, the 2000cc 2-liter engine. And it fits on the Yaris. Is it a all-wheel drive? Well, but it's midship, so I think it's going to be a MR something. So this is GR Yaris, but maybe in the future we're going to call this a different car. Does someone Celica? I don't know. I don't really know. Well, whatever we say, it's not related to the decision-making of the company. So we're just talking about it here. But do you think that it's possible that it's going to turn into a certain actual model to be launched? Well, that's our hope, and we can all imagine various things at this moment. There's no official announcement yet. And this topic, actually, he was stopped by the company to make an announcement. So Takahashi-san, you're one of those who were stopping him. So he wasn't supposed to talk about this car. But Morizo-san was determined to introduce this topic to the members here because you're all car lovers. So it means that he's going to drive that car in the races? So are we able to say that? Well, he was saying that he's going to be racing, and you see the engine on the car already. We know that he's riding this car. So he's going to have a midship car to race. I don't know if it's okay to say this. Well, but if Morizo was here, I'm definite that he will be announcing it. So I think we can say it. So with a midship, with the 2-liter engine, he's going to be entering races. So that's the big news. That's the top news. Can we say